Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is without using a foundation, a little dewy. Your skin kind of shows through. A little bit of blemishes or sunspots that you have will show through. Super easy, you can literally do it under 10 minutes. It's just super simple. So if you want to know how I created this simple everyday look, then please continue watching. I've been loving this Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. So good to use under your makeup and stuff. Oh my god, I don't know what rock I was living under when I didn't use this. It's just, this whole cream has changed my skincare game so much. Going in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus concealer. I love this concealer. It's a drugstore. It's medium to full coverage depending on how much you need. I usually don't use a foundation. And of course, my hideous dark circles. It blends so easily. I am so done with caked up face, but I really like a sheer dewy coverage. And it's perfect for the winter time since Bombay, the humidity here isn't too bad right now. I don't know how long that's gonna last, but at least it's great now. I'm setting my face with the FITME Matte Poreless from normal to oily skin in the shade 310 Sun Beige. Let me do my brows because it just feels so naked. Now this is the only product that I don't experiment with. I really love the Benefit Goof Proof. I'm in the number 6. I've been using this for the past 5 years now and I absolutely love it. I can't do without it. I love to contour my face. I hate my face to be just one dimension. Contouring today, I'm using the KIKO Flawless Fusion Bronzer Powder in the number 06. Look how much I've used. I'm pretty much hitting pan, so you know I love this. Okay, I think that is good enough. I don't think I need to bronze anymore. Now for blush, I have been loving the Morphe blush palette. It is the 9B. Oh, like, look at how many shades you get. It's apt for every freaking season, basically. So I really enjoy using this. Kind of just wanna go... I like to bring it over my nose so it gives you that flushed look. I love eyeshadows. I love doing my eyes. I picked this up from Sephora. It's really pretty shimmer, but it's brown, and the pigments are really nice, actually. Dip my finger in and just pat it all across my lid, starting from like the lash line. Now I'll take another clean fluffy brush and sort of just blend everything out without adding any more product. And this has been my staple mascara for a very long time, the Essence Lash Princess, and I've been using this. I have stocks of these and I'm going to restock again and again and again. It's better than any high-end mascaras you'll find out there. Now I have sort of like a love-hate relationship with the Nykaa kajal. It is so pigmented and creamy, but the only problem is that it doesn't come off unless you use the Clinique Balm. I like to tight line my eyes. I also make the funniest face while doing it. Next, I am going to use a cream or like a highlighter that you use for your brows. I'm using the one from Ulta. Using like a nude or a pink eyeliner just helps you open your eyes, especially when you're not using a lot of eyeliner. For my lips today, I am using the Cotton Candy Masaba collection with Lakme. I bought this, I completely forgot about it, so I'm gonna use it. Now the second, I'm gonna go in with the Revlon Matte Ultra HD in the shade Embrace. It's 640 HD Embrace. So I'm using the Peach Party from Soap & Glory. This is a beautiful, like, multiple tone highlighters. Depending on what you're in the mood for, you could just like swirl and use just that side. I'm not going to use too much of the bronze because that's too dark, and I'm just going to go a little bit There's a little bit all over my cheekbone. I don't want too much during the day, but I still want to be glowy. A little bit on my inner corners. Alright, so this is my complete look. I really like it. It's super subtle and it is super wearable. Alright guys, so that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. If you have, please consider subscribing somewhere here. And also I'll link my Instagram handle right down here so you guys can follow me there too. I make a lot of tiny mini tutorials and a lot of my fashion, everyday casual wear is posted there. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!